Hi, okay, day 4, we are moving on to doing some work on negative numbers. Now, I really wish that we were in the classroom to do this one because, as you know, I always have my thermometer on my shelf in the classroom because we quite often go, God, it's really cold in here today, let's look at the temperature. Or, alternatively, at the moment, I think with this beautiful sunshine, we'd be saying, God, it's really boiling in here, let's see what the temperature is. Anyway, we don't have our classroom thermometer right now, but we've got this one here, which we'll have to make do. So it's a little reminder of some of this learning. We have done this before, but I am really aware that negative numbers is something that some people just find really tricky. If you're one of those people, give it a go. If you're getting scrambled up, please just leave it. Okay, we can always come back to this when we're all back together in school. So during one day, it was 5 degrees Celsius, and at night the temperature fell to -5. How many degrees has the temperature fallen? So if the temperature started at 5 degrees Celsius and fell to -5, it has fallen to 0, and then it's fallen a further -1, 2, 3, 4, 5 degrees to -5 degrees Celsius. So this point here is 0, okay? The numbers above are positive and the numbers beneath are negative, okay? So we were at -5 degrees. The temperature fell 5 degrees to reach 0. From 5 degrees, it fell 5 degrees to reach 0, and then a further 5 degrees to reach -5. So in total, it's fallen 10 degrees, okay, because you've got the 5 here and the 5 here. Okay, so the next day the temperature rose, but it was colder than the previous day. How much has the temperature gone up by? So the temperature started here at -5 and then it rose to 3 degrees. How much has it gone up by then? So we started here at -5, so -5 takes us to 0, so that's 5 degrees difference there. And then we add on 6, 7, 8, those 3. We've got 8 degrees difference between the -5 and the 3 degrees. Okay, so it's risen 8 degrees in total. And what you've got here, if you're feeling confident, give this a go. You are using the thermometer, this one here on the side, okay, to help you work out the temperature drop for each day. So it's starting up here in the positive numbers and dropping to a minus number each time, just to keep that nice and consistent, okay? And you are working out the difference between the temperature, okay, the temperature drop. You're working out how much that temperature has dropped by. So for example, on Monday it was 5 degrees Celsius in the day, -3 at night. So you'd start on your thermometer at 5 degrees and you'd drop down to 0 and then drop down to -3. So you've dropped 5, 6, 7, 8, the 5 and the 3. The temperature drop is -8 degrees Celsius. Please only give this one a go if you are confident with it. If not, don't worry. We will do it when we get back to school together. Okay? Yeah. That's that. Today, we have Stitch with us. And as you will know, if you are in my class, Stitch is my favourite. He's got a little bit of a broken ear, but I absolutely adore Stitch. I think we all do in 5HB, really.